Hey guys, welcome back to 3Cube. I hope you like my last video. Every one of us like to customize our cell phone according to our needs, so we use different kinds of launchers and wallpaper. As you can see, I'm using a 3D wallpaper right now, which gives a good look to my cell phone. So today I have come up with the top 5 icon packs of 2017. I hope you like them and you apply them to your cell phone too. So we will start from the bottom and coming to the first. So the last icon pack, that is the fifth icon pack of our collection, is Antimo. Antimo has 3600 icons with a good resolution. It also has 50 plus wallpapers. Every icon pack has its own wallpaper, but I recommend not to use old wallpaper because they are not so good as compared to the icons. So let's see the icons of Antimo. As you can see, the Antimo icon has a dull kind of look, not too bright, but the icons are bold. They come in various shapes of the icon you use. They don't have a specific shape. For example, some icons have a square shape or a circle shape. We will see further in other icons, but this icon provides you many choices for a single icon. For example, I have two choices for my clock. I have more than five choices for my compass, my contacts. If we go to Google, over here Google icons, I have many choices for my Chrome, for my Google Drive, Google Earth. So we will apply this icon to our cell phone. It will take a second to apply these icons. As you can see, the Antimo theme has applied to my icons. It gives a very dull look. So if you want a dark icon pack or a dark look to your cell phone, you can use Antimo icon pack. It has a very good look and it has a custom icon for every app you download. As I told you, it has 3000 plus icons. As you can see, it has a bold look but a dull color. It is a unique combination of color icons for the last time once. As you can see, you can even customize your fingerprints and your app drawer for which you open. You can also customize your folders. So let us move to the second icon pack which we have got with us. Second last icon pack, I must say. This is the Prios icon pack. Prios icon pack has a square look for all the icons. As you can see, it's a square icon with a light shadow of it. Let us apply this icon to my cell phone. As you can see, the icons are square with a light shadow. Some part of it is coming outside the icon, the map. All the icons are very good. It gives a classic and what you can say is a good look to your icon. As you can see, I have applied the Prios icon pack. Every icon of my cell phone has become square with a light shadow. It is a good icon pack. If you want an elegant look for your cell phone, you can apply this icon pack. As you can see, all my icons have become square and a good look. My map has a good look. Google Plus has a good look. This was the second last icon pack in the list. Let's get with the third last icon pack in our list, which is Almug. Almug is a very good icon. It also contains a light shadow. You can it has many icons you can also customize with. For example, I can search for a games. Let's see, Clash of Clans is a popular game. As you can see, Clash of Clans has a dark icon and a faint look behind it. So let's apply this icon pack to the cell phone. As you can see, as you can see, I have applied the Almug icon pack to my cell phone. It gives a dark look to your cell phone, a dark and a bold look. Every icon is customized in my cell phone with a circular look with a good shadow too. So this was our third last icon pack, which is Almug. I hope you liked it. So now we will go to our second icon pack, which is Pivot. Let's first apply it. As you can see, Pivot doesn't have many contents of icons. It has a very less icon content, but the icons are very good looking and they have a slant look. They are tilted by 10 degrees and they are 1080p icons, which gives a HD look to your cell phone. As you can see, I have applied Pivot. As you can see, most of the icons of my cell phone have remained uncustomized as they are not included in the Pivot icon pack, but my Google Chrome and my downloads, my map, my MX player, my music match, all they have been customized and they have been tilted 10 by 10 degrees. They give a good look, but they have a very less content of icon. This icon is on the second number because just because of its look, not because of its content. Its content is very less, so it disappointed me a lot. So this was about our second icon pack, which is Pivot. I hope you like it and use it. As you can see, my ShareIt, Shazam, and Skype all have turned. My UC browser also has turned by 10 degrees. So now let us approach the first icon of our list, which is the Bolt R icon pack. It is a very good icon pack which gives a bolt, as it is said in its name, which gives a bolt circle look with a white border, and it is very good icon pack you can use for your cell phone. Let's apply this icon pack. As you can see, the Bolt icon pack has a circle with a border to it, and it gives a 3D type of look to your icon. The icon looks bulged from the center and slopey to the ends. As you can see, there are many icons to your cell phone. We will search for, let's again search for Clash of Clans only. As you can see, there is a different kind of icon for Clash of Clans. The sword of the barbarian king is included in it, and this is the icon for the Clash Royale game. So now by now we have applied the Bolt icon pack. As you can see, it gives a very good look to my cell phone, a circular look to my cell phone. All my icon packs have been customized because Bolt contains more than 1000 icons. This was all about the icon packs. I hope you like them, and I hope you apply any one of these icons to your cell phone. And if you have any suggestions for me, please comment them down in the comments. Then like and subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.